Introducing Malubago Hibiscus thaliaceus of the family Malvaceae. Malubago is a medium-sized tree that grows to a height of 12 to 15 meters and has a diameter of up to 30 centimeters. The bole is straight and cylindrical. Leaves orbicular to ovate, green, glabrous, shiny on upper surface, slightly glaucous and pubescent beneath. Apex shortly acuminate, base prominently cordate, the sinus narrow, margin minutely crenulate, stipules 1 to 3 centimeters long and 1 centimeter wide. Malubago is found throughout the Philippines and is widely distributed along the seashores. It is a marginal species on sandy portions along the seashores. At times, it occurs along river banks. Its uses include interior work, scabbards, household implements, musical instruments, picture frames, and occasionally in marquetry. In Batangas province, the wood is used to make barrel hops. The bark is an emetic, while the flowers boiled in milk can cure an earache.